Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, does Thai have a past tense? Probably the main challenge of Thai language is that Thai's past tense is quite ambiguous. In fact, there's no difference between past and present tense in Thai. In this lesson, we'll learn how to address the past in Thai sentences. To address the past and to distinguish it from the present tense, we use adverbs of time, either at the beginning or end of the sentence. Adverbs of time include เมื่อวาน yesterday เมื่อวันจันทร์ last Monday ปีที่แล้ว last year เดือนที่แล้ว last month and วันก่อน the day before yesterday. Let's see some examples that show how we can put this either at the beginning or the end of the sentence. For example, ฉันไปอเมริกาปีที่แล้ว I went to America last year. In present tense, it's simply ฉันไปอเมริกา I go to America. We can also put adverbs of time at the beginning of the sentence. For example, เมื่อวานไปตลาดมา I went to the market yesterday. The sentence ไปตลาด I go to the market is in present form only because there are no adverbs of time. So, if you want to tell someone you did something in the past, you can make sentences like you would with present tense, but add an adverb of time. This way, they will know you are talking about a past action. Pretty simple, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ